Welcome back to the Cozy Cottage Homestead. Today I'm going to be sharing a really good frugal tip. I know some people think that you cannot regrow vegetables, but I'm also sure you've seen all the little posts where you can regrow vegetables. And I'm here to tell you from experience, years and years and years, trying to plant those tiny little celery seeds, I have found that it is easier for me to, whenever I buy celery from the grocery store, to start it in some water, and you can see some little roots right there, and that will happen within just a couple of days, and then within a couple of weeks you'll have plenty of roots. Now the tip here is make sure that you change the water every single day. Change the water every single day, you will be able to regrow a healthy celery plant. So as you can see right here in my bathroom over the winter, in my one little tiny window in the bathroom, I up-potted the little celery plant into a little bit bigger pot, and it has been growing wonderful. The window is kind of frosted, but the sun shines through it. Every day I give it about a half a cup of water because it is growing and growing and growing. Now it is just about time for me to plant it outside. I think we are probably pretty clear on not having a frost, but even if we did, it would still be okay because celery likes the cold weather and does really good in the cold weather. So it is definitely true. You can regrow celery from your store-bought celery. It takes a little time, takes a little practice. I've had several that did not successfully reroot because I didn't change the water often enough. But the frugal tip here is if you change the water every day, and before long you'll have a celery plant. Go ahead and stick that in a little small pot of dirt until all of your chances of frost is over, and then you're ready to plant it outside in your flower bed. So now we're outside in my little tire bed here. I've done videos before on the celery that I have growing. You can see that this is a healthy plant. It was definitely time to move the celery plant outside and introduce it to the big old world outside. It's been doing great in the windowsill, hanging there, and now we're going to go ahead and plant it. And then as the little one that I showed you in the beginning roots and gets healthy like this one, I just add them to this one bed here, and then we'll have celery to put up. It's really just that simple, y'all. See if I can do this with one hand. I already have my hole ready and the bed ready. Lead it. And then you just want to make sure that you water it every day for the next few days, just to make sure it gets used to its new little home. And then you should have no problem. This plant will grow really, really tall. They usually grow close to 2 feet. But you know, you can start trimming some celery from it as you need celery. So just a very simple, easy way. If you're not too savvy with seeds are kind of hard, especially the small little celery seeds. But this is a very easy and frugal way to regrow celery that you buy from the grocery store. And it does definitely work. I have tried some of the other ones, but not as much success. But celery, this is usually how I want to grow the celery because it does really, really well. So thanks for joining me today, and farewell, Homestead family, friends, and neighbors from the Cozy Cottage Homestead.